Imagine you're scrolling through Facebook and suddenly an ad catches your eye. You stop, you read, you click. What was it about that ad that compelled you to act? In a digital landscape where users encounter thousands of ads daily, capturing attention is not just a skill, it's an art. Today, we'll unravel the intricacies of Facebook ad copywriting that drives sales, revealing the secrets behind ads that don't just get clicks, but convert. In this video, we'll dive deep into the strategies, techniques, and psychological triggers that turn ordinary ads into extraordinary sales engines. Are you ready to transform your Facebook advertising game? Let's get started. Understanding the Facebook ecosystem. First, let's take a moment to understand the Facebook ecosystem. With over 2.9 billion monthly active users, Facebook is not just a social platform, it's a marketplace. But before you dive headfirst into creating your ads, you need to understand how Facebook ads work and who your audience is. The importance of audience targeting. Did you know that targeting the right audience can increase your ad effectiveness by 200%? That's right, if you're not reaching the right people, your efforts are in vain. Facebook offers powerful tools to segment your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Spend time building detailed buyer personas that represent your ideal customers. Ask yourself, who are they? What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? By answering these questions, you can craft messages that resonate deeply with your audience. Crafting your message, the foundation of copywriting. Now let's talk about the core of your Facebook ad, the copy. Your ad copy is your chance to make a first impression. Here are some key components to include. 1. Start with a bang. The hook. Your opening line needs to grab attention immediately. It should evoke curiosity, urgency, or surprise. Surprising facts. For instance, did you know that 60% of consumers prefer to see ads personalized to their interests? This statement not only captures attention but also sets the stage for your message. Using numbers. Incorporate statistics in your hooks. In just 5 minutes, you can transform your morning routine with our time-saving app. This gives a concrete benefit that intrigues the reader. Creating tension. Pose a provocative question. Are you still struggling to achieve your fitness goals? Discover how thousands of others like you have succeeded. This creates a sense of urgency and makes the audience want to know more. 2. Build interest with benefits. After you've hooked your audience, it's time to build interest. This is where you highlight the benefits of your product or service. Instead of just listing features, translate those features into real-world benefits. For example, if you're selling a time management app, don't just say, "Our app has a calendar feature." Instead say, "Never miss a deadline again with our smart calendar that sends you reminders for every task." The emotional connection, crafting relatable copy. Connecting emotionally with your audience is crucial. Here's how to do it. 1. Tell a story. People love stories. Share a relatable scenario that reflects your audience's struggles. For instance, imagine waking up to a chaotic morning where you can't find your keys and you're running late for work. Our time management app helps you plan your day in advance so you can enjoy a stress-free morning. This approach allows potential customers to envision their lives improved by your product. Number 2. Use testimonials and social proof. Did you know that 79% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations? Incorporating testimonials into your ad copy can significantly enhance credibility. Include a brief customer success story. Sarah was overwhelmed by her daily tasks until she found our app. Now, she finishes her work early and has more time for her family. This not only showcases the effectiveness of your product, but also fosters trust. Clarity is key, simplifying your message. As you craft your ad copy, remember that clarity is paramount. You want your message to be easily digestible. 1. Keep it simple. Avoid jargon and complex sentences. Aim for a conversational tone that speaks directly to your audience. Instead of saying, "Utilize our innovative technology to enhance your productivity," try, "Use our easy-to-navigate app to get more done in less time." 2. Focus on actionable language. Your audience should know exactly what to do next. Use strong action verbs in your copy. Instead of saying, "Learn more about our product," say, "Start your free trial today." This directs the reader toward a clear action. Creating urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out. Creating a sense of urgency is a powerful tool in ad copywriting. Here's how to effectively implement it. 1. Limited time offers. Grab your exclusive discount, only available for the next 24 hours. This creates urgency and compels the audience to act quickly. 2. Use scarcity to your advantage. Indicate that your product is in limited supply. Only 10 items left in stock. Scarcity can increase demand significantly. The power of call to action, CTA. Every piece of ad copy should culminate in a clear and compelling call to action. Be direct. Instead of vague CTAs, opt for specific ones. Click here to claim your discount is much clearer than learn more. Create excitement. Use language that encourages action. Join thousands of satisfied customers today. This fosters a sense of community and belonging. Testing and analyzing your ads. Now that you've created compelling ad copy, it's crucial to test and analyze its performance. 1. A/B testing. Testing different versions of your ads can provide insights into what works best. Try variations in headlines, body copy, and CTAs. For example, test sign up for free versus get your free trial now. You might be surprised at the results. 2. Analyzing metrics. Keep an eye on key performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement levels. This data will help you refine your strategy and optimize future ads. Advanced techniques to elevate your copywriting. To truly stand out in the crowded Facebook ad space, consider these advanced copywriting techniques. 1. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your product on social media. Featuring user-generated content in your ads can increase authenticity and relatability. 2. Personalization. Personalized ads have shown a 29% higher conversion rate. Use data to tailor your messages to individual users. For example, if a user frequently browses fitness products, craft an ad specifically for them. Ready to take your workouts to the next level? Check out our new line of resistance bands. Incorporating visual elements into your ads. While this script focuses on copy, remember that visuals play a vital role in Facebook ads. Ensure your ad copy aligns with strong visuals to create a cohesive message. Use high-quality images or videos that represent your brand and capture attention. Common mistakes to avoid. As you embark on your Facebook ad copywriting journey, be aware of common pitfalls. 1. Being too salesy. While the goal is to sell, overtly aggressive sales tactics can turn off potential customers. Instead, focus on providing value first and then gently guiding them toward a purchase. 2. Ignoring mobile users. With a significant portion of Facebook traffic coming from mobile devices, ensure your ad copy is mobile-friendly. Short sentences and clear messaging work best on smaller screens. Final thoughts. Crafting ads that convert. As we wrap up, remember that effective Facebook ad copywriting is both an art and a science. It requires understanding your audience, crafting compelling messages, and continuously testing and optimizing your approach. Implement these strategies and watch your Facebook ads transform from mere clicks to tangible sales. Now it's your turn to put these tips into action. Analyze your current ad copy, identify areas for improvement, and implement these strategies. I challenge you to create a new ad using at least 3 tips from this video and share your results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on mastering Facebook advertising and digital marketing strategies. Together, let's elevate your brand success.